As more states reopen for business, we wanted to explore what rights employees have when they're asked to go back to work. So we asked 3 questions to 3 experts. Question 1. If I get COVID-19 at work, am I entitled to workers' compensation?
Workers' comp is a state-by-state system, and every state has a different law. And I know it's very hard in some states. If you have an occupational illness and your employer contests it to show that it was work-related, the burden becomes on the worker. So there are states moving. So I bet in the next couple of weeks, you're going to see more states moving to cover COVID-19 at work.
States like California have been very generous. They just passed a law saying that anyone who gets COVID-19 and was working automatically is going to get workers' compensation, and there's no way around it.
You've probably seen this lately. Retail workers attacked by customers. A customer sprays Lysol in a cashier's eye. A guard at a Family Dollar store is killed for denying entry to someone not wearing a mask. Which leads us to our second question. Are companies obligated to protect workers from challenging customers who don't want to follow the rules?
The general rule in any type of law is that if you don't know something's going to happen, if you don't have knowledge, then you are not liable. So therefore, employers are probably not going to be held liable if something unfortunate happens in a moment's notice in the office or at work.
Employers don't have an obligation to protect workers from customers who are being difficult or, if they attack them, they need to call police. If someone's hurt, they do have that obligation, but they have no other obligation to protect them from COVID-19, from customers who are not social distancing or not wearing masks.
And our last question. If I make more money from unemployment than my regular salary, do I need to go back to work?
If you're making more money on unemployment than you were making at work, you're still going to have to go back to work if the job opens up again. You can't refuse to work because you're making more money.
Your unemployment is supposed to be in lieu of your salary. If you're making salary, then get off your couch and get back there and go to work. That's the bottom line.
Kat Sandoval, Newsy Chicago.